Hey Divi Nation, welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative. Each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a fun and exciting classroom layout pack we think you're going to enjoy. The Classroom Layout Pack is an exciting gift for any teacher or school in need of a classroom website. The design is clean, colorful, and fun, which is perfect for engaging both students and parents. And each layout is customized to showcase all of your online classroom needs, including student and parent resources, assignments, events, schedules, even supply checklists, and much more. So go ahead and check it out for yourself. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new classroom layout pack on your own website. Okay, so before you can start adding pre-made layouts to your website from the Divi Builder, you must first make sure and authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options. Then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. Once done, you should have access to all of our pre-made layouts, including the Classroom Layout Pack, without any problems. Next, you'll want to start creating all of your pages for your website and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. To start, go over to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and give your page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-Made Layout. And from the Load from Library pop-up, find the Classroom Layout Pack and select it. You'll see a preview of all of the existing layouts included in the pack on the right. And when you're ready, find the one you want and click Use this layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish or save it as a draft. And you'll want to continue the same process to create all of your pages and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. And once all of your pages have been created and the layout packs have been added to each of those, you're ready for the next step, which is to create a new main menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your menu a name, and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages you just created. Go ahead and select all of those and then add them to the menu. Under the menu structure area, you can organize the menu items however you like. And when you're ready, make sure and set the display location to Primary Menu and then click Save Menu. And for one final step, you'll want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page, and then for your homepage, select the homepage that corresponds to your homepage pre-made layout that you added to it, and then click Save Changes. And that's it. Now your new website is up and running with the new Classroom Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way we can get you notified every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.